In the realm of modern urban living, the mastery of small spaces relies heavily on the architectural orchestration of boundaries. IKEA's modular systems offer a refined vocabulary for designers to articulate distinct zones without sacrificing the fluidity of a floor plan. This design philosophy emphasizes the tension between transparency and privacy, utilizing clean lines and geometric silhouettes to carve out intimate sanctuaries within a shared volume. By prioritizing material integrity and rhythmic repetition, these interventions transcend mere utility to become sculptural focal points that define the very character of a contemporary interior. Spatial composition is no longer about static walls, but rather about dynamic layers of light, shadow, and texture. Whether through the ethereal drape of textiles or the structural rigor of open-frame shelving, the objective remains a harmonious balance. Every element, from the matte finish of a frame to the grain of natural pine, contributes to a curated aesthetic that breathes air into confined quarters while maintaining a sense of luxurious, intentional zoning. Number 1. Establish architectural grits with Calyx. The Calyx system serves as a masterclass in geometric modularity, offering a rigid yet breathable boundary that anchors an open-concept studio. By utilizing the 5x5 grid in a matte white finish, designers create a rhythmic interplay of light and shadow that delineates the sleeping quarters from the social lounge. The negative space within each cuboid acts as a visual aperture, allowing the gaze to pass through while maintaining a clear structural threshold. The finish provides a seamless integration with gallery white walls, ensuring the divider feels like an architectural extension rather than an added piece of furniture. Number 2. Utilize L-Varley for vertical transparency. The L-Varley tension-mounted system introduces an industrial chic elegance through its slender aluminum posts and airy shelf placement. This design variation emphasizes verticality, drawing the eye upward to enhance the perceived volume of a small space. The powder-coated white finish reflects ambient light, contributing to a luminous atmosphere that feels expansive and unencumbered. By leaving significant gaps between the white metal shelves, the divider achieves a state of semi-transparency. This architectural treatment ensures that the floor plan remains visually cohesive while successfully isolating the entryway from the primary living area with sophisticated structural grace. Number 3. Incorporate organic slat rhythms with Ivar. Leveraging the raw, organic texture of the Ivar pine system allows for a tactile and warm division of space. By arranging the vertical side units in a staggered sequence, one can create a louvered effect that mimics high-end architectural slat walls. The natural grain of pine adds a biophilic element to the interior, softening the sharp angles of urban architecture. When left in its untreated state, the wood absorbs and diffuses light softly, creating an intimate glow. This approach is particularly effective for screening off a kitchenette, providing a textural contrast to smooth cabinetry and metal appliances. Number 4. Define zones with monolithic PAX volumes. For a bold structural statement, the PAX wardrobe system can be positioned back-to-back to create a thick, monolithic dividing wall. This design choice mimics the presence of a permanent architectural column, offering total visual privacy between a bedroom and a living zone. By opting for high-gloss Forsan doors or mirrored alley panels, the divider becomes a reflective surface that bounces light throughout the apartment, effectively doubling the sense of space. The clean, handleless facade ensures a seamless aesthetic that hides the complexity of the interior, resulting in a sleek, gallery-like finish that defines the room's proportions. Number 5. Introduce ethereal layering via Vidga. The Vidga ceiling-mounted track system facilitates the use of textiles as a fluid architectural element. By layering sheer linen panels with heavier velvet drapes, a multi-dimensional boundary is created that can be adjusted based on the time of day. This soft surface divider introduces a sense of movement and acoustic dampening to small spaces, making them feel more serene and quiet. The triple fat configuration allows for a play of opacity. When closed, the textiles create a soft focus wall that filters light into a gentle haze, perfect for separating a workspace from a sanctuary-like sleeping area. Number 6. Curate sculptural shadows with rigor. The rigor room divider, with its black-stained wood and white paper panels, offers a nod to traditional Japanese shoji screens, reinterpreted for a modern context. Its folding geometry allows for a dynamic interplay of zigzag lines that break up the monotony of a square room. The translucent panels act as a light diffuser, creating a soft, ambient glow while obscuring direct lines of sight. This design variation is ideal for creating a temporary dressing area or shielding a bed, adding a graphic, sculptural quality that works exceptionally well in minimalist or mid-century modern aesthetic palettes. Number 7. Design geometric voids with IKEA. IKEA cubes offer an avant-garde approach to room division by allowing for asymmetrical, cantilevered compositions. By stacking units of varying depths and colors, such as muted blues, grays, and natural oak, designers can create a topographical divider that feels like a piece of custom-built cabinetry. The absence of a traditional back panel in some units creates windows that frame specific views of the room beyond, turning the divider into a curated lens. This geometric play provides a sense of playful sophistication, perfect for separating a creative studio space from a rest zone while maintaining visual energy. Number 8. Embrace industrial mesh via Fialbo. The Fialbo shelving unit introduces a rugged, industrial aesthetic through the combination of black metal mesh and solid wood. When used as a room divider, the metal mesh panels provide a sophisticated level of obscuration. They blur the background without blocking light or airflow. The dark, linear frame provides a heavy visual anchor that contrasts beautifully with light-colored flooring or soft upholstery. This design variation is particularly successful in loft-style apartments, where the marriage of raw materials and exposed structural elements is celebrated. The wood top adds a level of artisanal warmth to the metallic structure. Number 9. Master low-profile zoning with Vihalls. Vihalls units offer a clean, streamlined aesthetic characterized by their thick frames and precise alignment. Using a low-profile Vihalls cabinet as a divider maintains the horizontal sightlines of a room, ensuring the space feels open and airy while still defining functional boundaries. The uniform white finish and hidden hardware contribute to a cohesive, built-in appearance. By placing two units back-to-back, designers can create a wide architectural ledge that serves as a transition point between a dining area and a living room. This approach prioritizes spatial volume and light distribution, making it an ideal choice for the smallest of studio apartments. Redefine your interior landscape with these architectural IKEA interventions. If you found this design curation inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining our journey into refined living.